napangako ko din na sa panahong hindi na tayo nagkakaintindihan, papaalala ko sa yung araw na to para maalala mo kung gaano kalaki ang nagastos natin. Kaya hindi pwedeng hindi natin panindigan ng pagiging mag-asawa natin.
It's all good, it's all good. We gon' make it, I know, cause you know it's all good, yeah. It's all good, been through this land for a season. I'm ready for the clear skies, we can make it if we try. I'm up high like a satellite, 10-4. You should let me know if I'm sounding right. I found everything I need in life. Life full of the good news, if you read it right, send it all down my way. You know we getting ready for a brand new day. I'm just trying to feel the sunshine on my face. Everything is alright, it's okay. It's all good, it's all good. Even through the highs and the lows, yeah, you know it's all good, it's all good. And we gon' make it, I know, cause you know it's all good, yeah. It's all good, yeah. Yeah, you know it's all good, yeah. It's all good, it's all good, it's all good, it's all good. Oh, yeah. When everybody's down the ride, yeah, you know it's all a vibe. Oh, yeah. And ain't nobody gotta care, cause we already there.
Salamat sa pagsasabing maganda ako at sexy ako. Kahit alam ko inuuto mo lang ako. Kasi binigyan kita ng pangarap mong PS4.
Ito na yung pinakihintay natin na time. Nagantay tayo dito for 12 years. Ayun, salamat. Lahat ng nangyayari sa amin ngayon, wala naman yung kundi dahil sa inyo. Maraming salamat din sa pagbibigay sa akin ng
napakabibong anghel na lagi nang papaalala sa akin kung gaano kita kamahal dahil carbon copy mo. At higit sa lahat, maraming salamat sa pagtupad sa bilin ng tatay ko na huwag mo akong iiwan. So, loves, today, I choose to make the rest of my life be the best of my life. I vow to stay with you through good times, especially on bad times.
Maraming salamat sa lahat. Na pinapangako ko sa inyo na itong pag-asama natin ni panghabang buhay.
Let it be worship. You're the only one worth it. Nothing is like you, there's no one beside you.
Maraming salamat sa pag-aalaga mo kay Primo. Lalo nasa ibang bansa ako. So thank you sa lahat. Maraming salamat. Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal ko kayong mag-ina. Salamat.